All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So it's that time again for another exciting matchup for you guys here, and I am back here with the fully built BMW M4 and Yamil 707's white Hellcat. Now, this is one of the very fastest stock blower Hellcats in the area. Now, just a little recap what's done to this car. He is on an upper pulley, lower pulley, long tube headers with mid pipes on an E85 tune with an ice tank, and he is fully gutted. And the M4, he's a fully built 3.0 engine with upgrade clutches on a Zonal Rotor 1569S turbo. It's a boost by gear setup. He is making somewhere over 1100 wheel horsepower in fifth gear, and the owner of the Hellcat telling me he's making right around 900 wheel. This is a full weight car. Now, the Hellcat is gutted, but will be taking a passenger with him. So it should be a good race, but there's only one way to find out. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I'm here in the M4. It's a little cold out here. And the first race the only race we're going to be doing is from a 60. Close your window. You let me know when you're ready. Ready? One, good race. You got him a little more than a car. We're gonna do that 60 roll one more time. So be a little bit behind it when you're doing the brake. Slightly. Ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. He let off. Alright, guys, so we are finished here. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Later.